My name is Joyce Martyr, and I'm a licensed psychotherapist and behavioral economics expert. And I'm here to teach you 4 ways to apply mindfulness to money. Many of us deal with financial anxiety and money stress, and these strategies are going to help you improve your mental health and financial wellness. Mindfulness has been around for thousands of years. It's a philosophy that if we ground ourselves in the present moment, in the here and now, by connecting with the breath and with our senses, that we can cultivate mental calmness and clarity, that we can learn how to observe our thoughts and emotions rather than being emotionally reactive or defensive. We can choose to be consciously responsive. And all of this is extremely helpful in our financial lives. So, my 4 recommendations for you are: number 1, establish a daily morning mindfulness practice. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning and flooding yourself with stress, with emails and social media and the news, carve out 5, 10, or 15 minutes for yourself. Practice mindfulness, like deep breathing, positive visualization, a body scan, meditation, or a short yoga practice, which is meditation with movement. This is going to set your day up for success. You're going to be grounded and present, and you'll also be able to detach from your ego, your mind's understanding of yourself, and connect with that deeper essence, your deeper, higher, wiser self, which is going to help you make better financial decisions. Number 2, tap into your intuition using mindfulness. As we get out of our mind chatter, we can connect with the wisdom of our body. Through a body scan, we can notice where we're holding any tension or yuck or negativity around financial decisions. We can ask our hearts and our guts to be our guides, to serve as a compass, rather than relying only on our intellect to make financial decisions. When we tap into our intuition, we make much wiser financial choices. Number 3, spend mindfully. You want to be conscious and not in financial denial. So you want to have a list and focus on enoughness and minimalism. Number 4, practice healthy detachment, which is a mindfulness strategy of healthy emotional separation from your financial stress and problems. You can visualize putting them in a container, those thoughts and worries, and setting that aside during your morning meditation so that you can be clear and you can function throughout the day to do the work you need to do to improve your financial health and wellness.